This recipe is for you if you love Indian cuisine, if you want to learn how to convert a normal recipe to keto, or if you're just looking for another great dinner idea. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we've posted a new recipe. It'll really help my channel and it'll only take you a second. Today we have got an absolutely delicious dinner or lunch recipe by Taste. Now, originally it wasn't keto, but I have adapted it so that we on keto can have it. The ingredients and shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and grease a casserole dish and set it aside. Now we are going to prepare a marinade for our butter chicken. So to a bowl, add 125 grams or half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and I've also added the grams in the description box. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, or you can use powder as well. 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander or cilantro, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 40 grams or a quarter red onion sliced and halved, 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Now give this a good mix. Now remove half the mixture and add it to another bowl. Set this aside for now, and it's time now to add the chicken, and for that you're going to need 640 grams of chicken. You can use chicken thighs, or I've got breasts cut in half here. Just add it to your half yogurt mixture now, and now thoroughly coat your chicken with the marinade. Give it a good mix. Once your chicken's fully coated, add your chicken to your casserole dish. That's the last piece, and I'm just gonna take the remaining marinade, because you probably won't get it all into your chicken, and just dab it and add it on top like that. I've got here 60 grams of butter, and it's just diced into little pieces. And now we are just going to lay it over the top of your chicken. And now we're going to bake this for 25 minutes or until golden. At about the 20-minute mark, just have a look at it and see if it's ready or not. The kitchen smells amazing. Have a look at this. I let mine go for 40 minutes. If you want yours less well done, by all means, go the full 25. But I wanted a bit of, charred bits, and I think, that'd look really yum. It does look yum to me. Set this chicken aside for a moment. I just meant to say that if you just wanted the chicken recipe, the butter chicken recipe, you could have it just like that, with some salad and maybe some yogurt, or, whatever takes your fancy to accompany our beautiful butter chicken. However, we're going to take it up a notch now, and I'm going to show you how to make a full-on tray bake. And for that, I have got 2 cups of cauliflower rice, our, half yogurt mixture marinade that we made earlier, and to that I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric, because we are going to make yellow cauliflower rice. And you're going to stir that into your marinade, and once it's stirred in, add it to your cauliflower rice. Add a pinch of pepper. It's a generous pinch, I would say. And give that a stir. And now we're going to moisten the cauliflower rice a bit because it's going to go back in the oven with about half a cup of chicken stock. Give that a stir again. I've got another casserole dish. You can use the same casserole dish that you baked the chicken in. Just make sure you remove the chicken first before the step. But now we're going to add our cauliflower rice to our casserole dish. And now you're going to just arrange it, around, I would say in clumps, because we're still gonna dollop the chicken back onto, make space for my chicken breasts. Like that. Reintroduce your chicken, placing it on top of your cauliflower rice. I've got here 150 grams of green beans, and I've just cleaned them and chopped off the ends. And now we're just going to arrange that over and around your chicken. Right, this is how my meal looks. And now you're going to cover it with foil, and it's going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. And now we've got a little bit of a salad going on to add. And I've got here 60 grams of diced, de-seeded cucumber. And I've got 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. And just add that all to the bowl. And just combine all those ingredients together. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. It looks amazing. And literally what we're going to do with this is once it comes out of the oven, we're just going to, arrange it over the dish. Okay, the 10 minutes are up, and now what we should see is your green beans should be quite al dente. And you're going to, I'll show you what it looks like in a second, but you're going to bake it further uncovered for maybe another 10 minutes. And here it is. I mean, we've still got a bit of liquid in the cauliflower rice. This is getting soft, and we can basically have green beans raw, can't we? But I'm gonna put mine back in the oven another 10 minutes. It smells amazing. I think I said that before, but I think it's worthy of me saying it again. And here we go. Here's the final result. You've got, your cauliflower rice is quite juicy still. It's not completely dried out. It has dried out a little bit. And, you've got al dente green beans. And when you are ready to serve, you're going to take your little salad and, just arrange it so everyone gets a bite. Yum. And a few lemon wedges wouldn't go amiss. Gorgeous. Put that in there. And there you go. This is going to be an amazing dinner. I am really excited to tuck in. I hope you get to try it, and adjust the flavors if you like. You can add a bit more chili. You can even serve this with the family using normal rice for them, and you can have your cauliflower rice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.